mean? Bisaya.
Ako ano Negros Occidental.
Po?
Taga Negros ako. Negros Occidental.
Bisaya sa nadra?
Hindi? Ilonggo?
Ay,
Di ba
Ilonggo.
Kuya Bix, di ba taga Bacolod? Yan.
Yeah, marunong din yun Ilonggo.
Oo.
Po, malapit na po, 5.
Oo nga eh. First time ko.
Po?
First time ko makita kayo. Sana makita ko kayo in personal. Kita kasi siya. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Sorry po. Natatawa pa ako. Oh my God. So, well, where do you work po?
Andito din ako Maynila sa kasambahay ko.
Sorry ba natatawa ka? Sorry po ate. I did not expect kasi ito. Pero nice to meet you po ate.
Meet you din.
Nice to meet you po ate. Sorry, hindi ko po in-expect eh. Kumanon kasi ako sa napindot ko. Sorry po. But it's nice to meet you po ate Rosalie. Paano po ba to? Paano po ba to?
Yung alin?
I will leave na this ha. Sige po.
Okay, sige. Okay, thank you.
Sige po.
Bye.
Thank you po ate Rosalie. Sorry po.
Okay. Okay lang.
The shit cast. Oh my God, what happened to you? Why are you on the floor? Why did you leave me alone? Why are you on the floor? What happened? What happened? Liar, shut up! Shut up! I told her. Agay! Akong ring!
I just put and then you're on the floor.
Liar! Stop, guy!
Oh, it's okay. I don't have no load now.
Sakit ka, uy! Guys, saan nangyari? Anong nangyari? I was so shocked! I was like, oh! Yes! Sabi ko, oh! Nagulat! Oh my God! Naging interview na.
Wait, stop! Wait. Oh my. Wala pa
Naging
din.
interview.
Sabi ka.
Nagulat daw. Oh, nagulat ako ba? Naging interviewer. Kisha! Oh my God!
Oo. This is why I shouldn't tambay here. My hair's gonna get kubot.
Yes, we're both Bisaya.
Yung ano. Stop na.
Stop it! Woo! Naging interviewer. Yes, I'm okay, but they keep asking.
Keisha?
Sorry. Sorry po, Ate Roslyn. Oh my God. Kaunsa kay. Yes, sorry. Iniwan pa naman ako.
Ay, natatay ako, bakit?
Agay!
What? Wait, bakit ganyan ka mag-react? Kate.
Kain pa tayo. I'm sorry. I missed the...
Old colleague.
I skipped the whole process part.
Shucks, how can I chat my mame? Putik.
Load yourself.
Do you have chicas there? I'll pay you new life. Ay, Maya.
We're not gone anymore. Wait po.